In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Amazon price history with Keepa. By the end, you'll know how to read the price chart, switch time ranges, spot the lowest historical prices, and pull up exact data points so you can decide if it's the right time to buy. Start by opening the Amazon product page for the item you're interested in. Once the page loads, scroll down past the main product details until you see the Keepa price chart. It usually sits below the images and description. If Keepa is active for your browser or account, the chart will appear automatically and start loading historical data for that product. Let's walk through what you're seeing. The chart uses different colored lines to show how the price has changed over time, and each color represents something specific. The blue line shows Amazon's own price when Amazon is the seller. The red line represents the buy box, which is the price offered by the seller featured in the add to cart area. The orange line shows the new price from third-party sellers for brand new items. As you look across the timeline, you'll see these lines rise and fall, reflecting promotions, stock changes, and seasonal trends. To understand the longer story behind the price, adjust the time range. Above the chart, you'll find filters like day, week, month, year, and all. Clicking day or week is useful for very recent fluctuations, but for a complete picture, choose month, year, or all. The longer the range, the more context you get on typical lows, highs, and how often discounts appear. Now focus on finding value. Scan the chart for the lowest dips in the lines. Those dips mark the best historical deals for each price type. Compare today's price to those past lows to gauge whether the current offer is strong or if it might be worth waiting. If the current price is near a previous low, that's a promising sign. If it's far above, the item may go on sale again. When you want precise numbers, hover your mouse over any point on the chart. A small panel will pop up with the exact date, the exact price at that moment, and the seller type. This makes it easy to confirm whether a low price was from Amazon, the buy box, or a third-party seller listing a new item. That's it. Open the product page, scroll to the Keepa chart, read the colored lines, adjust the time range for full context, check where the lowest dips occurred, and hover to see the exact date, price, and seller type. With these steps, you'll make smarter, data-backed decisions every time you shop.